Introducing the UTMA AL805 CNC carbide saw grinder for top and face grinding in a single setup. The machine also has fully free programming capabilities for any combination of tooth geometries and index pitch. The machine has 5 numerically controlled axes. Here you see the hook angle adjustment, which is also used for the back clearance on top grinding. Here you'll see indexing forward. We can control the stroke of the index with the computer. The grinding head in and out for the amount of material removal. The grinding stroke forward across the tooth. And the bevel angle adjustment, allowing you to do different bevel angles on the same tooth. The machine utilizes a cup and cone assembly, which allows it to quickly adapt to saw blades of varying bore sizes. The blade is then mounted into position utilizing the tooth positioner. The operator can consistently place the blade into the correct position. The machine then rigidly clamps the blade in place and is ready for grinding. The machine's control panel is comprehensive yet easy to use. It has a color touchscreen display that will allow you to pull up the programs. Here we'll pull up an existing program and all of the parameter information will default. We can now change any of the parameters that we'd like. For example, here Jimmy's changing the blade thickness because the machine will automatically compensate for blades of different plate thicknesses. The programming allows us to do some special sequences with our standard programs. In this screen here you'll see that we are allowed to identify broken teeth, and the machine will skip them. We can program variable index pitch, any number of teeth. Here we can do shear face and combo shear face blades. And on the last one, we're allowed to identify newly brazed teeth. All 4 functions work fairly similar. Here we can identify which of the teeth are newly brazed. Then the machine allows us to program in the amount of extra material we'd like to have removed on that brazed tooth and the number of passes and oscillate grind to remove that extra material. Very functional, simple, but sophisticated programming. The machine can memorize programs or call up from its standard programs. With the removable media, it's possible to save a virtually unlimited amount of programs. Or pull up a standard program here, or create your own custom program. Here's the custom programming screen where we can select any combination of tooth set. Here we have a 5-tooth set combo, and in the second screen it will allow you to program each one of the 5 different teeth individually. Notice the left hand side of the screen stays the same, those are the blade parameters, whereas the right hand side will change based on the tooth that is called. We have an offset V-point tooth where we are allowed to program the right hand bevel at, say, 25 degrees and the left hand bevel at, say, 45 degrees. We could program in a height difference, and we could program in where we want the center of the point to be across the tooth. Very flexible in its custom programming geometries. Once you've completed your program, if you'd like to be able to repeat this in the future, you can save it to the machine's memory. Here we'll save it as program number 5, and we are allowed any type of alphanumeric combination to name the program to allow us to easily bring it up last time. Some places will even serialize the blades and have each blade have its own individual program. To simplify troubleshooting, the machine also comes with an internal diagnostics program, seen here. Now we're ready to see the machine operate. Using two wheels on one flange, a facing wheel and a topping wheel, the machine is able to face grind and then convert to top grinding all in one setup. This minimizes the customer's setup time. Here we can see a close-up of the backpacked wheels mounted on the same arbor. And now the machine's kicking into top grinding. To learn more about the AL805, UTMA's newest and most advanced carbide saw grinder, for grinding with synthetic or oil coolants, please call one of the knowledgeable professionals at Colonial Saw in the East Coast at 888-777-2729 or in our West Coast office at 1-800-252-6355.